creating custom pricing pages with SuiteDash is easier than you might think. In this video, we'll walk through how to do it step by step, and I'll share why SuiteDash might not always be the best fit for what you're aiming for, especially if you're looking for something simpler or more advanced. First, let's dive into SuiteDash's pricing page creator. It's great if you're building a client portal or creating a streamlined experience for your customers. With SuiteDash, you can customize your pricing page to display multiple plans, payment options, and even add custom fields to gather additional information. It's user-friendly, but can be a bit overwhelming if you're just starting. The interface doesn't have the cleanest learning curve, and some users report getting stuck on small technicalities. Next thing, let's talk about the flexibility SuiteDash offers. You can embed forms, integrate payments, and even set up automations. However, one of the limitations is the complexity of customization. SuiteDash's drag-and-drop builder is solid, but if you want advanced design tweaks or more specialized functionality, you might find yourself needing to use some custom code or relying on their support team to make adjustments. This can get frustrating if you're trying to move quickly. The fourth thing to note is that while SuiteDash does allow for branded pricing pages, it doesn't have quite the freedom of design that other platforms offer. You can change colors, fonts, and images, but full creative control is a little more limited. If you're looking for a fully personalized, on-brand experience, you might find SuiteDash lacking in this area, compared to tools that specialize in website and landing page customization. Now, let's get into the functionality of SuiteDash's payment integrations. You can integrate with Stripe, PayPal, and other payment gateways, but the setup process can feel cumbersome. It's not the easiest to navigate, and errors in the setup can be hard to debug, so it might not be the most intuitive if you're used to simpler tools. If you're creating a complex pricing model with discounts or conditional pricing, you may run into some roadblocks. But here's the thing, while SuiteDash offers a lot of features, it's not always the most beginner-friendly, and it doesn't always have the streamlined user experience you might want when building custom pricing pages. It works great for larger businesses that need more complex setups, but if you're a small business or a freelancer, it might be overkill. And here's where it gets interesting. There are alternatives that might actually be better suited for creating custom pricing pages with much more simplicity and ease, without the need for advanced coding or extensive technical support. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that if you're interested in trying SuiteDash, we've got an exclusive extended free trial available through our link. But we also have some other great recommendations that might suit your goals even better. These alternatives have simpler interfaces, better flexibility in design, and some even offer better customer support. Plus, they also come with free trials so you can explore them risk-free. By signing up through our link, you'll get the best possible trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on that. So, if you're ready to build a custom pricing page, but want something easier, more intuitive, and still fully functional, check out our recommendations down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.